Hey everyone, it's Tim Manfro, aka Mortgage Manfro, here today to share some information with you guys. Actually, some exciting information. So, I came across this thing called Experian Boost, and basically what that is it's a new free program that which Experian is one of the credit bureaus agencies that we use for pulling credit for mortgages, has released this program. And what they're going to do is they're going to give people a free opportunity to boost their credit score based on reoccurring payments that they make out of their bank account. These payments could be for electricity, for your cell phone, for your gas, for any kind of reoccurring like utility type payments. They're going to actually give you the ability to add those to your credit report and create a positive credit history for those accounts, which should raise your score, or if anything, it'll keep your score the same. Now, from the reading I've been doing, they only will add things that are going to be positive for your account, for your actual credit score, and they'll give you the choice of which things you add. So I kind of wanted to tell you guys about that, and I also wanted to walk you guys through how it works. I'm going to put the link to actually go to the site and do this, go through Experian Boost, but I wanted to kind of tell you how it works. So it takes about 10 to 15 minutes. I did it on my own actual credit report, and for me, I didn't have a gain on my credit score, but I do have a lot of credit history. I think this is going to be good for people who are rebuilding their credit or actually don't have a lot of credit history. This is going to add some positive accounts. So what you'll do is you'll log in using the link below, or just going to Experian.com and searching Boost or searching Experian Boost, and you're going to create your own account. It's totally free from what I could see. I actually already have an account with Experian, so it was easier for me. But you can create your free account. You're going to put all of your personal information in, so you're going to have to be comfortable doing that. And it's going to basically go to the next stage where they're going to ask you to actually put your banking information in it. Give Experian the ability to search your bank for reoccurring payments they're going to add to your credit score, and will boost the score up. The ones that I found on mine were my gas bill, my Verizon bill, my utility bill for SCE, and I think there might have been one other one. And what it does, you put your banking information in, it's going to show you what your current credit score is through their system with Experian, and then it's going to search through it. It's going to take a couple of minutes. It's also going to pop up and say, okay, we found these certain accounts that we want to add to your actual credit report. So you get to actually select if any of those, or all of them will actually go onto your credit report. It'll take another couple minutes to calculate it, and then it's going to show you your new score using Boost. Now, I've heard certain situations that's showing as much as like a 20-point increase, which is huge. That could be the difference between qualifying for a loan or a better interest rate. Now remember, this is only on Experian. Equifax and TransUnion don't offer it yet. And remember that the credit score that you see on Experian.com is not actually going to be the same score we use for the mortgage process. But for a free service that only takes about 10 to 15 minutes that could raise your score as much as 20 points, it's a no-brainer. I mean, I think everyone should do it. If you're comfortable giving that information to Experian, which is a whole nother story. But check it out, Experian Boost. I'm going to put the actual link below. If you guys could share this video and get it out there so people can take advantage of this new program that's free. Mortgage Manfro out. Hope you guys have a great rest of the day.